Windows play a major role in the comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance of your home. In rain, where the weather can shift from heavy rains to strong summer sun, keeping windows in top condition is especially important. Unfortunately, many homeowners encounter common issues that can compromise energy efficiency, safety, and curb appeal. The good news is that most of these problems have straightforward solutions. Drafty windows. One of the most frequent complaints from rain homeowners is feeling a draft even when windows are closed. Drafts occur when seals or caulking wear out, or when the window frame has shifted over time. Not only does this make your home less comfortable, but it also drives up energy bills. Fix. Start by checking for gaps or cracks around the frame. Replacing old caulking with a fresh bead can make a big difference. For older windows, adding weather stripping is a low-cost way to block air leaks. If the window is severely damaged or warped, a full replacement may be the most cost-effective long-term fix. Foggy or cloudy glass. Foggy windows are a common sight in rain, especially in homes with double or triple pane windows. This usually happens when the seal between panes breaks, allowing moisture to seep in. Once condensation forms inside the glass, it can't be wiped away. Fix. While defogging kits exist, they're usually a temporary solution. The best option is to replace the insulated glass unit, IGU, rather than the entire window frame. This restores the clear view and the insulating properties of your window without the expense of a full replacement. Difficulty opening and closing. Humidity and frequent rain in rain can cause wooden window frames to swell, making windows hard to open or shut. Dirt and debris in the tract can also cause sticking. Left unresolved, this problem can become a safety hazard in case of emergencies. Fix. Clean the tracks thoroughly with soap and water, then lubricate them with a silicone-based spray. If swelling is the issue, lightly sanding the frame edges can help. In some cases, replacing old or warped hardware such as locks and cranks is necessary. Water leaks around windows. Heavy Louisiana rains often reveal another common issue: water seeping in around windows. This can damage drywall, flooring, and even structural framing if ignored. Fix. Inspect the caulking and flashing around the exterior of the window. Re-caulk any gaps and ensure the flashing is properly directing water away from the house. If leaks persist, it may indicate poor installation or significant frame damage, in which case a professional inspection is wise. High energy bills from poor insulation. If your home feels too hot in summer and too cold in winter, your windows could be to blame. Single pane or outdated windows struggle to block heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Fix. Adding storm windows or applying a low emissivity, low-E, film can help improve performance. However, for long-term savings, consider upgrading to modern energy-efficient windows designed for the rain climate. These windows keep conditioned air inside and reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Broken or damaged screens are essential in rain homes for keeping out insects while allowing fresh air to flow in. Unfortunately, they're prone to tears or sagging over time. Fix. Small holes can be patched with a screen repair kit, but larger damage often requires a full screen replacement. Most hardware stores offer DIY-friendly replacement kits that are inexpensive and easy to install. Final thoughts: windows are more than just a decorative feature. They impact your home's comfort, safety, and efficiency. By addressing common window problems quickly, you can save money on energy bills, avoid costly repairs, and protect your home from the elements. If you find that your windows are beyond simple repairs, investing in professional replacement tailored to rain's climate may be the smartest choice. Modern windows not only enhance curb appeal but also provide lasting comfort and peace of mind.